Hi, I'm Claire Thomson. I'm 5 o'clock open on Instagram, and today I'm going to cook a bread and butter pudding with panettone and marmalade in my Everhot oven. So this is a great recipe for people who say they're not fans of panettone. Make them this. They'll love it. Panettone is an enriched dough, so it's got eggs and butter and sugar in it, so it makes a really decadent bread and butter pudding. So you're just going to take some slices off that. That should do. Just going to generously dollop marmalade onto this. Panettone's got candied orange in it, so you're just ramping up that orange flavour with some extra marmalade. Beautiful. You're going to chop them into triangles into a buttered dish. I'm going to use a bit of this paper to reuse it. So some softened butter. I'm going to grease a good baking dish. Lots of butter. This is Christmas after all. Okay, and lay your triangles of bread and butter, well, of panettone over. Snugly. Rustic is good. Right, squish these final bits in. Right, you're going to make an egg wash with some full fat milk and some double cream. Equal measures of both, so I think for that we're going to do about 700. We've got 2 eggs, straight into there. You're just going to sweeten to taste really, because this is going to be sweet already. So I'm going to do about 2 tablespoons of sugar, plenty of nutmeg, good Christmas spice, and a great one for creamy, milky dishes. Is that good? Whisk. Pinch of salt, just because sweet things quite like a pinch of salt. Just takes out that overbearing sweetness. Right, we've got our milk and cream with nutmeg and a bit of sugar and a pinch of salt. I'm going to pour that over there. We want some bits of panettone popping out the top and some submerged in the cream and milk. So I'm going to sprinkle about a tablespoon of demerara over the top, and this will just caramelise and crunch as this cooks in the oven. But firstly, I'm going to leave this to sit for about 10-15 minutes, just for the panettone to really soak some of that cream and milk up. And then I'm going to pop it in my Everhot in the hot oven at 180 in the middle shelf. This is smelling so delicious. It's gone all puffy and golden and crunchy on the top, and then super hot underneath. So we're going to let that, a good bread and butter pudding should sit for about 15 minutes. You'd never want to eat that piping hot. It's going to taste much nicer if it's just warm or even room temperature. So let that sit for a bit.